Sanborn. So I've been under attack for speaking on izinto eziningi ezi-affecta abantu abamnyama and for being aligned with the MK party. There is something lesho Zuma la ebalulekile that we all need to understand. Engidrawe from wonke lama engagements nabo bonke laba bantu abakommentayo kwizinto engipostayo naba commenta kwezinye izinto ezipostwa amanye ama commanders. The one thing that I realize is that people seem to have forgotten the main issue, the main problem. So luckily I did a problem solving a lot, and I know how to track back to inking and know what was the root cause of the problem, which is why I am very clear on what is the problem. And I'll tell you now, most of you see the bright colors in politics. You see decoration, all these big terms, all these things that are happening today, and you tend to forget ukuthi umsuka wazo imuphi and zize zifikela ikhona manje zisukaphi. So I'll remind you, every single thing is about the land. Yonke into esibona namhlanje iyinkinga, even the division amongst us black people, comes from the fact that our land was taken. That is the main issue. Division amongst us yenziwa ngamasibomu so that we fight each other like this, instead of ukuthi size nama solution as to how do we take our land back from those guys who took it. Yonke into eyenzekayo iyenzeka because of the fact that they stole our land, and they are trying to preserve it as much as possible, because within the land comes resources. Singaqokisa yonke into siyikhalarishe senze sibe corrupt kulezi zinto, but if we fail ekugcineni kosuku ukuthi sibuyele back to the root of the problem, sizohlala singenamhlaba, sizohlala singenama resources, sizohlala sihlupheka. And you can come to me with all the colors in your political parties. Ngizokubuza into eyodwa. What is your party doing today to change the current status of a black man? Iyenzani iparty yakho? Ungitshela ngo EFF, ungitshela ngo IFP, ungitshela ngo ANC, ungitshela ngani? What are they doing? Today we even see abantu abamnyama wearing ikipa ezi-blue besupportana no DA. I'd be surprised if in fact I wouldn't be surprised if kuqhamuka omunye egqoka iskipa se-Freedom Front Plus ne-AfriForum. Ikutshela into eyodwa lento ukuthi silahlekile. And just because leya video leya ngiyenze ngesingisi esithe ukuthi xaxa yona, yathi ukuthi mhlambe ukuthola ama views athe ukuthi xaxa, doesn't mean ukuthi I am less of the person I am and rooted as I am. You tend to easily try to attack the person delivering the message instead of listening to the message and tracing it to kahle kahle le message isisaphi. That is why you attack us. Thina sizama ukuthi liberate abantu. That is why you attack Zuma, the same one who's trying to liberate people. That is why uPanyaza Lesufi sejikelwa abantu be-ANC sebathi uPanyaza vele uyayihlukanisa i-ANC is causing ama factions and so forth. Whoever fights for the black man's cause has literally doomed himself, because black people do not want to be liberated. They don't want anyone fighting for their cause. Bazomjikela belwe naye kanye nabelungu, just because you have been programmed ukuthi nenze kanjalo. But ngiya understand ke futhi. That is why nisebenzela ukuthi nifundela ukuthi niyosebenza, nifundela ukuthi nigqoke ama-uniform odokotela nama-uniform obanibani, where you'll feel like you are part of just because you are acknowledged by uNdlebe Sikhanyilanga. Thanda ningathandi, this is the fact. And ask yourself today ukuthi i-political party yakho le oyilwela kangaka uzuthuka abantu uze ube invested kangaka emotionally iyenzani to actually change the current status of the black man? Kahle kahle angiyibeke ngendlela esimple le. Iyenzani i-political party yakho ukuthi isize umuntu omnyama kulolu sizi analo? Wena kungenzeka ukuthi right, but you know for a fact ukuthi khona umakhelwane wakho who is suffering because kwadutshulwa ubaba wekhaya engenze lutho, wadutshulwa, but the justice system did not be able ukuthi ithole nanokuthi kwenzakalani ngalomuntu. In fact yathola, but because of lendlela i-status esiyiyo njengamanje and senziwa ngamasibomu kwayisona, yonke leyo nto leyo yagcine ilele under the carpet. So fight me all you want, okusalayo you know the fact. ANC, IFP, EFF, Freedom Front Plus, DA, now wonke lawa amanye ama-political parties are doing nothing to change the current status of the black man. Hambani niyofa futhi.